Alright, I've done up through row 20. Now we're going to start on the eyelet rows with row 21, and we're going to start with a chain 3, and that's going to count as a double crochet throughout the pattern. You also can use the alternative beginning chain 3, and I'm going to do that on this, and I'll show you how to do that. So the alternative turning chain 3 is don't chain, just flip it over, insert your hook in the first loop and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Then you insert your hook in the first, that left vertical bar and the loop behind it, and you draw up a loop, and then you yarn over and draw through those 2. That will be used instead of a chain 3 because it's the same height as a double crochet, and that counts as a double crochet. Now we're going to double crochet in each single crochet across. So yarn over and go into the next, and double crochet in each stitch across. Now if you're making a chain 3 instead of doing the alternative to a turning chain, you do this. You chain 3 and then you turn, and then you skip this hole here and you do your double crochet in this one. This will leave these holes on the side like this, and it depends on the look you want. This one I did the chain stitch for the turning chain, and you can see these holes right here, and the turquoise one, I happen to be wearing it, I have to take it off. I did the alternative turning chain, and you don't have those holes. So it depends on what look you want, on what method you want. So I am just going to continue with the chain 3 turning chain on this one, just to make it a little lacier. And you double crochet in each stitch across the row, and you should have 8 double crochet including that turning chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now on row 22 we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to turn the work, double crochet in the next 2 double crochet. So again, we're going to skip that first and go into this one here. Skip this one and go into this one. And it says double crochet in next 2. Okay. Now we're going to chain 2 and skip 2. So, skip 2 and double crochet in the next 2. And we're going to double crochet in the top of the turning chain. I go under 2 loops of it if I can. Somehow my top of my chain got tight. You can tug on that, stretch it out a little. There we go. And make my double crochet in that turning chain. So your row should have 3 double crochet, a chain 2 space, and 3 double crochet in it. And that's what is in parentheses at the end of your row on the instruction sheet. Now, row 23, we are going to chain 3, or you can use the alternative turning chain that I showed you. And then I'm going to turn. Now we're going to double crochet in the next double crochet. So again, whenever you do the chain 3 at the beginning, you skip that first. And you go into the next one, unless there's going to be an increase, then it might tell you differently. Okay, so I double crocheted in that. Now we're going to chain 2 and single crochet in the chain space. And single crochet in that chain space. And then chain 2 again. Then we're going to skip a double crochet. So skip this one and double crochet in the next. And double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Okay, that's what you have so far. The eyelet's pattern is starting to form. Alright, now we're going to go on to 24. You're going to chain 3 and double crochet in the next double crochet. So chain 3, turn it over, double crochet in the double crochet. We're going to double crochet in the chain 2 space. Now we're going to chain 2, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, and double crochet in the next double crochet, and double crochet in the top of the turning chain, which for some reason my top chain always is tight. There we go. And like row 22, it's going to be 3 double crochet, a chain space, and 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet, a chain 2 space, and 3 double crochet. Alright, and now we're going to close off the pattern with row 25. So we're going to chain 3, flip it over, double crochet in next 2. Always skip that first one. Double crochet in the 2. 1, 2. Two double crochet in the chain 2 space. Okay. And then double crochet in the next 2. And lastly on this row, I'm going to double crochet into the top chain of the turning chain. And that is your pattern repeat from here to here. So we're going to do for rows 26 through 45, we're going to repeat rows 22 to 25 5 more times, or till you have 6 of these eyelet patterns. So work until you have these 6 eyelet patterns finished, and I will pick it up in the next video. See you there.